Welcome to my class. Now we will learn Greek days of the week. So let's start. Monday, Teftera. Monday, Teftera. Monday, Teftera. Pronounce it with me. Monday, Teftera. Come to the next word. Tuesday, Triti. Tuesday, Triti. Tuesday, Triti. Pronounce it with me. Triti means Tuesday. Wednesday, Tetati. Wednesday, Tetati. Wednesday, Tetati. Pronounce it with me. Wednesday, Tetati. Thursday, Panty. Thursday, Panty. Thursday, Panty. Thursday, Panty. Pronounce it with me. Thursday, Panty. Come to the next word. Friday, Paraskevi. Friday, Paraskevi. Friday, Paraskevi. Friday, Paraskevi. Pronounce it with me. Friday, Paraskevi. Come to the next word. Saturday, Sabato. Saturday, Sabato. Saturday, Sabato. Pronounce it with me. Saturday, Sabato. Sunday, Kyriaki. Sunday, Kyriaki. Sunday, Kyriaki. Pronounce it with me. Sunday, Kyriaki. Now let's repeat it all again. Monday, Teftera. Tuesday, Triti. Wednesday, Tetati. Thursday, Panty. Friday, Paraskevi. Saturday, Sabato. Sunday, Kyriaki. Now we will learn Greek months of the year. So let's start. January, Laniaros. January, Laniaros. January, Laniaros. Let's pronounce it with me. January, Laniaros. February, Februarios. February, Februarios. February, Februarios. Pronounce it with me. February, Februarios. March, Martios. March, Martios. March, Martios. Pronounce it with me. March, Martios. April, Aprilios. April, Aprilios. April, Aprilios. Pronounce it with me. April, Aprilios. May, Mayos. May, Mayos. May, Mayos. Pronounce it with me. May, Mayos. June, Lunios. June, Lunios. June, Lunios. Pronounce it with me. June, Lunios. July, Lulios. July, Lulios. July, Lulios. July, Lulios. August, Augustos. August, Augustos. August, Augustos. Pronounce it with me. August, Augustos. September, Septembrios. September, Septembrios. September, Septembrios. Pronounce it with me. September, Septembrios. October, Octubrios. October, Octubrios. Pronounce it with me. October, Octubrios. November, Novembrios. November, Novembrios. Pronounce it with me. November, Novembrios. December, Decembrios. December, Decembrios. December, Decembrios. Pronounce it with me. December, Decembrios. Now let's repeat it all again. January, Laniaros. February, Februarios. March, Martios. April, Aprilios. May, Mayos. June, Lunios. July, Lulios. August, Augustos. September, Septembrios. October, Octubrios. November, Novembrios. December, Decembrios. For further learning the Greek language, we will learn some more at the next class. And please like, share and subscribe my channel.